In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We'll start by opening your web browser and heading to Eventbrite. If you're not already signed in, log into your organizer account so you can access your event tools. Using a desktop browser is best here because the menu options we need are easier to find and use on a larger screen. Once you're in, navigate to your event. From your organizer dashboard, locate the event you want to work with. Open the event, then look for the three-dot menu, often found near the top right of the event management page. Click that menu and choose Edit. This takes you into the editing and management area for the event, where all the organizer tools live. Next, move to the attendee management section. Find the option labeled Managed Attendees, then select Manage Orders. This is where you'll see a list of all the orders associated with your event. Take a moment to confirm you're seeing the correct event and that the orders you expect are visible. If your event has multiple dates or ticket types, make sure any filters are set appropriately so you're capturing the right data. On the Manage Orders page, look for the Export option. Click Export and you'll be prompted to choose a file type. If you plan to work with the data in a spreadsheet, CSV or XLSX are typically the most flexible formats. If you only need a nicely formatted copy for sharing or printing, a preview that saves to PDF may be more convenient. Select the file type that suits your needs. After selecting your file type, click Print Preview. Your browser will open a preview window showing how the data will look. From here, use your browser's Save or Download option to store the file on your computer. If you're saving as a PDF, choose a clear file name and a folder you'll remember, like your Events Reporting folder. If you don't see the preview, check that your pop-up blocker isn't preventing the window from opening. Before closing, quickly open the saved file to confirm everything exported correctly and that the columns and formatting look right. If anything's missing, return to Manage Orders, adjust your filters or file type, and try exporting again. Keep in mind that access to these tools may depend on your account permissions, and the interface can change slightly over time. And that's it. You've gone to your event, accessed Managed Attendees, opened Manage Orders, used Export, reviewed the print preview, and saved your file. You're all set.